Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Excel is a powerful spreadsheet tool widely used for data analysis and reporting. While Excel itself provides a range of functionalities, integrating Python with Excel can enhance its capabilities further. This tutorial aims to guide beginners through the process of using Python in Excel, covering key concepts and providing practical code examples. Before integrating Python with Excel, you need to install the pandas and openpyxl packages. Open your command prompt or terminal and run the following commands. Let's start by reading data from an Excel file using Python. Create a sample Excel file named data.xlsx with some data. Now, let's write data to an Excel file using Python. You can use Python to generate Excel formulas dynamically. For example, calculating the sum of a column. Performing advanced data manipulation using Python's pandas library. Create visualizations using libraries like matplotlib and seaborn. Integrating Python with Excel opens up a world of possibilities for data manipulation, analysis, and visualization. This tutorial covered basic and advanced operations, but there's much more to explore. Experiment with different Python libraries to leverage the full potential of Excel in combination with Python. ChatGPT.